Hi students, I am Srimati from SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. I am working as an assistant professor in BCom Digital Marketing and Data Mining Department. Now I am going to deliver a topic about the GST. It is one of the indirect tax. Especially I am going to deliver about the concept of GST. Tax, it is tax global revolution, and I explain about this GST's definition or brief background of that GST. GST is a worldwide movement. It unifies indirect taxes across many nations. Over 170 countries have adopted this GST, and GST aims to create a seamless nation market, and it estimates 1 to 2 percentage GDP growth for adapting nations. Then what is mean by goods and service tax is called as GST. GST having the five elements of categorizations. First one is GST is a consumption tax, and it helps to in collecting the supply chain methodology of tax collecting method, and it increasing the input tax credit. And here GST has no cascading methodology of elements, and the consumption of tax is it is a consumption based value added tax. And then supply chain is called as tax is collected at each supply chain stages. And then input tax credit is a powered of taxes paid on inputs, and no cascading its elements that cascading efforts of taxes. And they especially overall going to deliver about the GST is levied on most goods and service tax, and it simplifies the tax process significantly. And then here the key features and economic advantages of the GST is four type of elements going to categorize about that factors and advantages. First one, GST is a very simplified structure for taxpayers, and it increasing the transparency method of collecting taxes, and then enhancing the compliance for collecting awareness, and boost for experts to paying the tax amount. And here the simplified feature is replaces multiple complex taxes for differentiate between GST and other direct and indirect taxes. And it is increasing transparency based on benefits both business and consumers, because it is it is giving a fully valuable knowledge about the taxation and economic growth and revenue generation of the government. And it enhancing the compliances for taxpayers, and improve the tax collection and awareness of taxes, and boost experts. And this exempts final consumption for a taxation. It is a very common thing, and also it is a very valuable and economical growth strange for the government revenue. And GST promotes a unified national common markets. This forecasts gather an economic integrations of GST based tax collections. Okay, first seen about the GST definition and advantages and features of GST. This slide going to explain about the what is the different modules having the GST is. We have a two module of GST. First one is a single GST, and second one is a dual GST. We know about the types of GST, but here this slide going to explain about the modules of GST. The single module is mean by one central government collectors, and examples include Australia and Canada. And the dual GST going to collect the Both central and state government levy it. India and Brazil use these modules. Rate structures is vary, and including single, two tier and multiple tier rates is also vary. The scopes also varies based on the goods and service installations. And finally, I am going to conclude my video. And this video, I think this is very helpful for you, the knowing about the GST backgrounds and modules and advantages and features. I'll see you on my next video, and thank you.